good. Love ya. And just like that, boat is out of the water. Vacation is over. I just got a call from Bez. He's like, you gotta come check out the house. You gotta see what we did. So we are all packed out of Booth Bay. Boat is going. I gotta run up to my car. We're gonna see you in Lisbon. Wow. So one, yes, I did a shirt change. Two, immediately upon coming here, I noticed we got blacktop. There is something about when pavement gets down, we start feeling a lot less like a construction site, and that's what is so exciting. Mind you, there's construction stuff all over the house still, and I can hear the drills going, the saws going, but I start to see some cabinets going in the kitchen. So let's go check that out. All right, so you walk right in, you'll see the brand new door and the kitchen that's gonna fit perfectly right into that corner. Window out to the backyard. Starting to see trim up in here. We have the smoke detectors, we've got the lights. Wow. You may be wondering what this stuff is. This is the underlayment that goes under the carpet. So you have the padding, and then you have the tack edge that goes all the way around to hold it down. It's really nice on the feet. Remember last week we talked about the exciting features going on the farmer's porch, and it's nearly finished. So you have 12 lights out here. So you can come out here to read at night or early in the morning, have full protection from any of the elements, and also just feel like you're in your own private protected space. You've got beautiful forest right behind you right here. This farmer's porch is gonna be so appreciated by all who come to check it out. Taking up to the second floor to see what we have going on here. Wow. So this is afternoon, so it's about 2 o'clock. And the full sun in these bedrooms, because you have windows on the front, back, and the side. It is just streaming in right through this window. And I think this view is probably my favorite. If you've been wanting to get maybe your first home, maybe you're downsizing, everyone wants that ensuite bathroom. So what I love about this upstairs bedroom, one, it's huge. Two, it has its own bathroom, which we are gonna go check out. So as you can see, the plumbing is starting to come in, but just the convenience factor of being able to wake up, walk right into your bathroom, and then head downstairs for that first cup of coffee. That's what these guys do so well. They find what people need the most, and they make it work with the space they have. And that's why these properties often get delivered at such a great price to the market, because they use the space they have, maximize the footprint, and they do an incredible job with the finish work. Gotta be honest though, we are nearing the end here, 31 through 40 on the day count. And I still see a lot of natural wood, which means places that need to get covered up. I see flooring that needs to be done. I see construction stuff everywhere. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Are they gonna get it done? Folks, day 31 through 40, by my calculation, they have to finish the kitchen and install the appliances. They have carpet that needs to be finished in upstairs bedrooms and the downstairs. Both bathrooms need to be finished as well. And in general, they need to pick up a lot of stuff. And then they always do a really nice job with landscaping, just little touches around the foundation with crushed stone. And I think that's when it really, really starts to feel like home. But man, I'm looking at my watch, looking at the clock. I know they want to get this done before Labor Day, so we are just gonna have to see, folks. If you think they're gonna do it, drop a comment below, or maybe if there's something about this house you particularly love, drop that comment below. We want to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Chris Davis with the Maine Renovation Show, and yes, after 4 weeks, my incredible Blackberry Grove has officially dried up. Stay tuned for more. Take care. Folks, the moment is here. I know I started this video saying day 31 through 40, but guess what? Day 35, they finished. Check out this final product and be sure to check out this house when it hits the market.